In today's video, I'll show you how to add an autocorrect entry in Microsoft Word. This feature is very useful for saving time, fixing common typos, or quickly inserting frequently used phrases. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one. Then, go to the File tab at the top left corner and select Options. This will open the Word Options dialog box. Next, click on Proofing from the menu on the left side, then click the Autocorrect Options button. A new Autocorrect dialog box will appear. In this dialog, you'll see two main fields, Replace and With. In the Replace field, type the shortcut or typo you want Word to automatically correct. For example, you could type ADDR as a shortcut for your full address. Then, in the With field, type the text you want Word to insert whenever you type the shortcut. Continuing the example, you would type your full address here. Once you've entered the information, click Add and then click OK to save your new autocorrect entry. From now on, every time you type your shortcut, Word will automatically replace it with the full text. You can add as many autocorrect entries as you like to speed up your work and reduce repetitive typing. You can also edit or remove entries later by returning to the autocorrect dialog box. And that's it! You've successfully added an autocorrect entry in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.